Hello and welcome to Exercise 2, Aligning Objects in Adobe Illustrator. For this exercise, I am using the Workspace Essentials Classic. And if you look at your Layers palette, I've placed the document in Layer 2, which is locked, and I have a layer of the guides. If you are unable to see your guides, you can go to View, scroll down to Guides, and yours will say Show Guides. And that shortcut to toggle those is Command-semicolon. So if I tap that now, I have my shortcut keycaster here in the bottom right. So if I click that, you can see these cyan lines toggling off and on. And I've created those guides from rulers. If I do Command R or Control R on a PC, that will toggle the rulers and the ability to drag on some guides. So with layer 1 selected in the Layers palette, I'm going to zoom in with my zoom tool, Z for shortcut. And the first item here, we're going to align these shapes. We're going to align them vertically and horizontally between these two guides. So I'm just going to use my black selection arrow and select all of these objects. And in your alignment tools, either up here in this control panel, or if you go to Window and turn on Align, you'll have a Transform, Align, and Pathfinder palettes here. We are going to want to vertically align center, and we need to distribute these horizontally. So right below that, we have distribute objects. We want these distributed equally between these gaps. If I zoom in even closer, we'll just double check and see. Looks like we are between the guides, so that's looking good. If I zoom back out, Command 0. Step 2 is to vertically align these to the bottom. So with my black selection arrow, select all of the shapes, and this Align Objects vertical align bottom. If you wanted to align directly with the guide, you could go to your Layers panel, unlock the guide, and make sure they're unlocked under View, Guides, that will say Unlock Guides if they are currently unselectable. So you could align them that way, just to double check. I'm going to go ahead and lock the guides again. And for number 3, we're going to align these horizontally and vertically to the center, and then horizontally center to the artboard. So with black selection tool, select all of the circles, and in our alignment palette or up here, we want horizontally aligned center, vertically aligned center, and if you have smart guides on, these should snap. I am currently aligning to, if you look in this section, I'm aligning to the selection. You can also align to a key object. What I want to do next is align to the artboard. And it's going to look at my document size, which is an 8.5 by 11 currently. So with artboard selected, we're going to align to the center. And now it's where we want it to be. All right, for step 4, we're going to position these stars to X value 1.5 and a Y value of 10 using this left point as the reference. So if I zoom in, you can see in our properties panel, there's a transform section, and here's the reference point. We want the reference point to be bottom left of the document, and I'm going to put 1.5 for the X value and 10 inches for the Y value for the solid star. For the hollow star, this one needs to be at 4.25 and 10. So there we've completed step 4. So that is the reference point on this document. So let's be sure to save the document. Going to File, Save As, and within the Week 1 folder, I'm going to make sure it says Week 1, Exercise 2, and first letter of your name with last name, _ version 1. And save the Illustrator file. And do a File, Save As. And the format will be PDF. And for the preset, let's go to High Quality and turn off Preserve Illustrator Editing Capabilities. Save PDF.